Today's lesson is how to solve two-step equations. Example number 1. 4x minus 7 is equal to 5. To solve for the variable x, we must isolate x. First, we get rid of the constant term on the left side. This is 4x minus 7. The opposite of subtraction is addition, so we add 7 to the left side. But if we add 7 to the left side, we must also add 7 to the right side to keep the equation balanced. So plus 7. Bring down for x. Negative 7, positive 7 is equal to 0. So we can cancel this. 5 plus 7 is 12. So we have now 4x is equal to 12. This is 4x or 4 times x. The opposite of multiplication is division. So to get rid of this coefficient of x, which is 4, we divide both sides of the equation by 4. Divided by 4, divided by 4. We cancel 4 in the numerator with 4 in the denominator. So we have only x on the left side, and then 12 divided by 4 is 3. So x is equal to 3. Let us check. The given equation is 4x minus 7 is equal to 5. We substitute 3 for x in the given equation. So we have now 4 times 3 minus 7 is equal to 5. This is now equal to 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. This is a true numerical statement. This means the value of x is really equal to 3. Number 2. 20 is equal to 8 minus 6x. To solve for x in this equation, we must isolate x. First, we get rid of the constant term on the right side. So this is positive 8. So we subtract 8 from the right side and also from the left side of the equation to balance the equation. So minus 8 minus 8. 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. Positive 8 negative 8 is equal to 0. So we can cancel this. We bring down negative 6x. So we have now 12 is equal to negative 6x. This is negative 6x or negative 6 times x. The opposite of multiplication is division. So to get rid of this coefficient of x, which is negative 6, we divide both sides of the equation by negative 6. Divided by negative 6, divided by negative 6. We cancel a negative 6 in the numerator with negative 6 in the denominator. So we have only x on the right side. And then 12 divided by negative 6 is equal to negative 2. So we have now negative 2 is equal to x, or x is equal to negative 2. Let us check. The given equation is 20 is equal to 8 minus 6x. We substitute negative 2 for x in the equation. So we have now 20 is equal to 8 minus 6 times negative 2. This is now equal to 20 is equal to 8 plus 12. 8 plus 12 is 20. So 20 is equal to 20. this is a true numerical statement. This means the value of x is really equal to negative 2. Example number 3. X over 3 plus 9 is equal to 7. To solve for the value of x in this equation, we must isolate x. First, we get rid of the constant term on the left side. The constant term is 9. This is x over 3 plus 9. The opposite of addition is subtraction, so we subtract 9 from the left side. But if we subtract 9 from the left side, we must also subtract 9 from the right side to balance the equation. So we bring down x over 3. Positive 9, negative 9 is equal to 0. So we can cancel this. Positive 7, negative 9 is negative 2. So this is x over 3 is equal to negative 2. This is x over 3 or x divided by 3. The opposite of division is multiplication. So to get rid of this denominator 3 or on the left side, we must multiply the left side by 3. But if we multiply the left side of the equation by 3, we must also multiply the right side of the equation by 3 to balance the equation. And then we cancel 3 with 3 in the denominator. So we have only x on the left side. And then multiply negative 2 by 3. So we have now x is equal to negative 6. Let us check. The given equation is x over 3 plus 9 is equal to 7. We substitute negative 6 for x in the equation, that is in the given equation. So we have now negative 6 over 3 plus 9 is equal to 7. Negative 6 over 3 is negative 2. And negative 2, positive 9 is equal to 7. So 7 is equal to 7. This is a true numerical statement. This means the value of x is really equal to negative 6.